Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Google Translate. Google Translate is a free app that you can download from your Play Store if you are using Android phone. So if you are using iPhone, just go ahead to your App Store and look for Google Translate. Download and install it on your iPhone and you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and see how we can use voice to type in your Google Translate. So first thing first, you have to make sure you choose your primary language right here. That is the language you want to speak. You have to choose it right here. So I'm going to select English language right here. Now I want to speak English and I want it to be translated into Chinese. How do we do that? We have to come here and we make sure we select Chinese right here. Or better still, we can come back here and choose Spanish. So I'm going to use Spanish right here. Here, I want to speak English language. While the Google Translate will convert it to me, we convert it for me to Spanish. So what we want to do next is to click on this microphone right here to start your conversation. Click on this mic. So while using the app, now can you please tell me my name? So let's see. Now you have the result here in Spanish. So you have it right here. Let's simply go back again and proceed. So I'm going to click on the microphone again. How much are you going to sell this particular textbook to me for the last price? So let's see the result in Spanish. Just like so, we have it right here. English language, Spanish right here. It's that simple. If you want to listen to it, simply click on this particular audio right here and you will listen to it. You click on this audio right here to listen. If you want to copy the text, click on this icon right here to copy the text to the clipboard and send it to wherever you want to send it. It's that simple. So this is how to use Talk to Speak in Google Translate. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.